Hello from Surfside Beach in Miami, Florida. It is time for another beach adventure with Chris at this wonderful beach on the first day of the year, January 1st. That is. It is a super sunny and nice day, and I am out exploring as many beaches as possible today on my only full day in Miami, as I have arrived yesterday and I'm leaving tomorrow, but on a Caribbean cruise, Norwegian cruise line, to 5 different spots and islands in the Caribbean Sea. But more on that is coming. Now I'm at Surfside Beach, and this is how the beach looks like on the first day of the year 2025. It is 3:20 p.m. right now. We will have 3 more hours of sunshine before the sun sets for today. And it's time then to check out the water. It is a bit more shallow here compared to the previous beaches I visited. So it's gonna be a super nice way to enjoy. Uh, the beach is quite crowded, to be fair, but and it is off season this time of the year, but still it is 26 degrees Celsius in the air, and we have 25, around 24 in the sea, and it looks quite amazing, doesn't it? Okay, so another beach adventure from Miami. And oh, I can't believe I walked all the way from those high buildings at the background. But it didn't feel that I was walking that much. But I have 17,600 steps so far today, and more it will be for sure. Yes, these are, I believe, residential buildings or rental apartments right on the beach, on the coast here in Miami Beach. And now I'm a bit more north, on the north part of Miami Beach, as Surfside is north of the North Miami Beach, the North Beach as it is called. It starts around 2 kilometers from here. And yes, let's not wait any longer and enjoy a nice swim here in at Surfside Beach in Miami, Florida. Let's go. Oh boy. Yes, day 2 of my Caribbean vacation is today, and there will be 11 more days of adventures in the Caribbean. Um, and in Miami, actually, the last day when I go back. Let's see if I will have time for a swim then before I head to the airport. But yes, that is then almost a wrap from Surfside Beach in Miami. I hope you have enjoyed this episode, and I will be showing you some few more beaches from Miami on my channel, as I'm here also tomorrow as well. Cool. Let's wrap up, and thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.